So this visualization is about that creation that wants to be created through you from your heart and its correlation with money. So hence we're going to first relax our minds, relax our bodies. So sit back and take a deep breath in, the deepest that you've taken all day long. And hold it there, because there's no hurry in life. You're at the most absolutely correct spot in life. And then slowly release your breath. Take another breath and you will notice that this breath is going to be longer than the previous one and more relaxing than the previous one. How naturally the relaxation is entering your body and your mind, and you can slowly breathe out. Now keep breathing at your natural pace, knowing that your body is just so ready to relax. Relax like it has never relaxed before. You're sensing this wave of relaxation from top to bottom, bottom to up. Feels so relaxing. Now you're observing that as you breathe, the muscles around your head, your forehead, are relaxing. Your jaw is relaxing. Your shoulders, your neck, your upper body is relaxing like it has never before. Your lower body is relaxing. Your thighs, your knees, your calves, your feet. Entire body is relaxing and going deeper and deeper. And as you're relaxing, you're gonna activate flow of creative and money energy. Now I want you to see your creation in front of you. Anything that you're building or you intend to build related to your business, your career, or anything else, that creation is in front of you. And you're seeing that the flow is going from you into that creation, into the world. From you into that creation, into the world. From you into that creation, into the world, and just observe how you're feeling now that this flow is going from you into your creation, into the world. And this energy is growing more and more and more and more and more and more. Just observe how you're feeling. Now, as you're in this state of feeling expansive, creative, joyful, satisfied, you're gonna now observe that you're in the presence of your higher self. And that lights you up even more. And the higher self has a message for you. And the message is that the flow is never linear. It goes everywhere. It knows no end. It has no boundaries. Now you will observe that there are so many beings on this planet through whom this energy is flowing into your creation and into you. From these beings into your creation, into you. So many people, so many places. Energy is flowing from them into your creation, into you. And oh my God, this feels great. You're at the receiving end. You're receiving with your heart open, knowing very well in your heart, in your entire being, that this is what you deserve. And everybody who is flowing energy into your creation, into you, are doing that with their beautiful willingness. If it helps, you can open your arms and receive this beautiful energy coming from the world into your creation, into you. And as you breathe, this energy is only growing and growing and growing. It feels like home. It feels natural. It feels like you. And as you're receiving, your higher self is the most proud. It's the happiest seeing you in your natural element of receiving love, wealth, value, and all the goodness that the world is showering at you and at your creation. Because the world is happy that they get to experience your creation and you. Thank you. Thank you for existing. Thank you. And now, your higher self is bringing your attention to something deeper. You're going to see the first flow that flows through you into your creation, into the world, and the second flow from the world into your creation, into you. These both flowing naturally at all times. You don't have to do anything. You just have to observe and soak it in and just enjoy as these flows just naturally flow in all directions. And as you're observing, this beautiful swirl of energy is growing more and more and more and more and more and more and more. Now observe, how has your creation evolved as well as you opened your heart for this beautiful flow. Your creation has a message for you now. Open your heart and receive that message. Now this feeling is encoded in your body. That means that you have become this energy. And this is you. And if by any chance you ever step out of it, that's fine. You remember that you can always come back, because this is who you are now. Fully feeling this emotion, I want you to rub your arms. Your body has the ability to remember. It's now going to remember that this is who you are. This expansive being who is this enormous value to the world, and the world is really excited and grateful to receive that value from you. And wealth is the most natural aspect of this beingness. Give yourself a big hug and slowly come back. Welcome to your new, expansive, wealthy, value-driven life.